Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be starting the new topic of standard 8 maths and that is our statistics. In statistics today we will see the practice set 11.2 and in 11.2 we will see subdivided bar graph. My dear students, look at the board here. Practice set 11.2 question number 1 is observe the following graph and answer the questions. This graph is all about the subdivided bar graph. Why? Can you see the single bar? It is divided by two parts. Okay, look at here. Scale is given, scale on y-axis. This is your y-axis, vertical is your y-axis and horizontal is your x-axis. Okay, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to rupees 200. It means you have to write 200 times table, that is 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. Okay, like this. See here, two different shades are given. One shade is savings in April. Okay, one shade is showing the savings in April. It means, see this one, this cross lines shade part is showing the savings in April, and the empty parts showing savings in March. Okay, so this is a subdivided bar graph. Why it is subdivided bar graph? Because a single bar is divided into two different shades. One is dark one is empty. So this is subdivided bar graph. Okay, now see here, some questions are given below, we have to answer it. First question is only observe the figure, observe the graph, we don't have to draw. Okay, we have to observe and we have to answer the following questions. Number 1, state the type of the graph. This graph is of which type? Just now I said this graph is all about subdivided bar graph. So you will write subdivided bar graph. Okay, state the type of the graph, subdivided bar graph. Okay, now see how much is the savings of Vaishali in the month of April. See the Vaishali, Savita, Saroj, Varsha, Megha, Vaishali. This is Vaishali. How much is the savings of Vaishali in the month of April? April and March. April is full wala. Okay, so which the part which is filled. So Vaishali filled part is still which number? See here, 600. So it is saying how much is the saving of Vaishali in the month of April. Saving of Vaishali, the savings of Vaishali in the month of April, is how much? See this filled part is still how much? 600. So I will write rupees 600. Rupees 600. I hope you understood, very much easy. You have to focus on the given name only, and this is April means the filled box and empty is showing the March box. Okay, now see here, how much is the total saving, total both March and April, total savings of Saroj in the month of March and April. Saroj, where is Saroj? Savita, Saroj. Total means April and March also. So total is how much? See, it is rupees 800. So you will write rupees 800 is the total savings, of Saroj in the months of March and April. Is it clear? Rupees 800 is the total savings of Saroj in the months of March and April. Saroj, total means both. Okay, now see fourth one, how much more, kitne zyada, it means subtraction. How much more, kitne zyada, subtraction will be there, is the total savings of Savita than the total saving of Megha. Total savings of Savita and total savings of Megha. See, you have to keep the finger on Savita first and Megha. Okay, total. So Savita saving is rupees 1000 and Megha saving is rupees, it is between 400 and 600 between. It means it is 500. Is it clear? So you have to subtraction. Why you will do subtraction? Because it is given more. How much more? Kitne zyada? Savita saving is rupees 1000 and Megha saving rupees is 500. So how much more Savita is there? Rupees 500, because Savita savings were 1000 and here Megha savings were 500. So 1000 minus 500, 500. So you will mention over here how much more is the total saving. See, total savings of Savita is equals to rupees 1000. Okay, and total savings of Megha is equals to rupees 500. Therefore 1000 minus 500 is equals to rupees 500. Okay, so you will mention over there how much more is the total saving of Savita. Rupees 500 more is the savings of Savita than Megha. Is it clear? 1000 is saving of Savita and 500 saving of Megha. So how much more? Rupees 500 more is the saving of Savita than Megha. Okay. Now we will write here whose savings in the month of April is the least. Month of April is showing by filled box. Least means सबसे कम. Least. Maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा. Least means सबसे कम. Which is the least सबसे कम किसका है? Megha. So whose savings in the month of April is the least? Megha's savings in the month of April is the least. Least means सबसे कम. Is it clear? सबसे lowest. Okay, so here this is how you have to answer the question by observing the given subdivided bar graph. Again I am saying it is subdivided bar graph because a single bar is divided into two parts. Okay, so this is subdivided bar graph and these are the answers of the given questions. I hope you understood how to solve this. So dear students, now after question number 1 we will see question number 2. Here we have to draw subdivided bar graph. In first number question we have to observe only the bar graph, subdivided bar graph, and we have to answer the given questions. Now here we have to draw. Okay, we have to construct on bar graph only. So please you have to buy a graph book from the market stationery and then only you have to draw on the graph book only. See here, the question number 2 is what? The number of boys and girls in standard 5th to 8th in a Zilla Parishad school is given in the table. This is the table. Okay, draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Okay, see, scale is already given on your table above. There is scale is already given. Pay attention. Scale is already given to you on above the table. See, scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. 10 student means you have to read 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, on y-axis. So we know the vertical one is a y-axis and the horizontal one is x-axis. Okay, now very simple way I will teach. We have to draw subdivided bar graph. So first we have to copy this table as it is. While solution you will copy the table as it is. See, standard 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th boys and girls, and last we have to write total. Is it clear? So boys how much? 34 and 17. Here 26 and 14. Here 21 and 14. Here 25 and 20. Okay, so my dear students, first you will copy the table as it is and only one thing you will add, that is total. When you will add total in subdivided bar graph, when you have to draw subdivided bar graph. Okay, now I will do the totaling of it. 4 and 7 11, carry 1, so it is 3 1 and 1 5. Okay, 51. Now we will go next one. 6 and 4 10, carry 1, so it is 2 1 3 and 1 4, 40. Is it clear? Now see here, 1 and 4 5, 2 and 1 3, 35. This is 5 and 2 and 2 4, 45. I hope you understood. First you will copy the table as it is. One row you will increase, and that is of total of each class, each standard. Okay, and then you have to draw subdivided bar graph. So dear student, scale is given. You will write the scale first on the top. It is very much important, necessary. So scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 students. So here you will write 1 centimeter is equals to 10 students. Okay, now I will make two separate parts of boys and girls. Boys, I will fill the boys box, and I will keep empty the girls box. Okay, I will show by these two different shades. Okay, now see, scale is given how much? 10 students. So you will write 10 20 30 40 50 60 70. So whichever is your first row, okay, in question, whatever will be your first row, that will be your x-axis. That should be on the x-axis. जो first row है, that should be on the x-axis पे ही होना चाहिए. See, it is standard, so we have written standard. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. See, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. You are leaving one box. Then after each bar, you have to leave one box only. Here you will leave one box. Then you will draw a bar. Then again you will leave one box. You will draw a bar. Again you will leave one box. Then you will draw a bar. Is it clear? Keep same distance between each bar. Okay. Now what is the first totaling is 51. So you will draw a bar till 51. Okay. See, till 51. Little more. 50 se zyada. 51. Okay. And how much number of boys are there? 34. So you will go 30 and plus 4. So it's 34 you will show by this filling. This is boys. It means girls you don't have to show. The remaining part is for girls. Remember, only we will show for boys, and the remaining part will be of girls. Okay, see the next. In 6th standard, how many boys? 26. So you will go 20 plus 6. 20 and plus 6 lines. That is boys. And the remaining part is of girls. Okay, now see. In 7th standard, how many number of boys are there? 21. 20 and 1. 20 and 1 line. That is 21. Okay, this is boys. The remaining part is for girls. In 8th standard, there are how many boys? 25. 20 and 5. Okay, so 25 number of students, boys. The total is given over here. We have to draw. First we will copy the table. We will increase one row, that is of total. That total number we will draw the bar. See, 51. So we will draw first bar till 51. 40. We will draw second bar till 40. 35 total. So we will draw third bar till 35. For 45 we will draw the fourth bar till 45. Okay, this total number of students we will draw a bar. Okay, first we will draw the bar according to their totals, and then we will divide, then we will subdivide according to their strength, number of boys and number of girls. But only we will show boys, the remaining part will show girls. Is it clear? So this is how we have to draw the subdivided bar graph by given scale. I hope you understood here. So dear students, now after question number 2 we will see the question number 3. In question number 3 also we have to draw subdivided bar graph. Just please look at the board. The question is given to you in the following table: number of saplings planted in the year 2016 and 2017 in 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. This is the table given in the question. So first you will copy the question as it is, but you will increase one row, that is of total. Okay, you will copy the table as it is, but at last you have to increase one row, that is of total. So you will do the total of each column. See, this is 150 and 200, 350. Here 250, 300, 550. This is 200, 250, 450. 100, 150. It is how much? 250. So this is how you have to do the total of all the given columns. Why the total is important? Because according to this total only you will draw the bars. Okay, first you will draw according to this total only we will draw the bars. Okay, see, this is the vertical one is x-axis, the horizontal one is vertical one is y-axis and the horizontal one is x-axis. Okay, now you will leave one box, then you will draw a bar, then again you will leave one bar, then you will one column, then you will draw a one bar. Okay, one box you will leave one bar, one box you will leave one bar, but bar you will draw till the total. Okay, how much total is given? 350. So first bar will be till 350, second is 550, so second bar will be till 550, third bar is of 450, so we will go till 450. Okay, then fourth one is 250, so we will go till 250. Okay, see, the scale is not given in this question, so if the numbers are more than 100, so always use 1 centimeter is equals to 100 and whatever is given. See, in the question all the numbers are above 100. Okay, all the numbers are above 100, so we will use scale on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 100 saplings, because in this question we are talking about saplings. अगर number 100 से ज़्यादा है, so we will use 100. 1 centimeter is equals to 100. If the numbers are below 100, okay, 100 से कम है, so we will use 1 centimeter is equals to 10 and whatever is given. Okay, so here I will separate the bar into two parts, 2016 and 2017. See, planted in 2016, planted in 2017. One is filled, one is empty. Okay, so according to the total we will draw the bars. Okay, see, 100. If you are using 1 centimeter is equals to 100, so we have to write 100 times table. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, like this. Oh, am I clear? And we will mention. See, I have said the first row always will be on the x-axis. The first row always will be on the x-axis. See, it is town. So we have written here towns: Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur and Khandala. So we will always remember the first row will be your x-axis. Okay, and what is here? The scale is given. Whatever scale we will use, we will write here, and the number of saplings. Is it clear? We have to write this number of saplings in Karjat. So how many in 2016? How many saplings were planted? 150. So we will go 150. That is 150. Okay. 100 and 200 between there is a 50. 200 and 300 between there is a 250. 300 and 400 between there is 350. 400 and 500 between there is a 450. 500 and 600 between there is 550. Okay, so only we will show the first number, the another number, the left thing is for 2017. Okay, in Vadgaon 250, so we will go till 250. The remaining part will be for 2017. See here, now here in Shivapur 200, so we will go till 200. The remaining part is for 250. Is it clear? 2017. See, in Khandala 2016, how much saplings were planted? 100. So we will go till 100. The remaining part is for 2017. I hope you understood. It is very much easy. First we will do the total. According to total we will draw the bars. Okay, as per the total we will draw the bars, and then we will divide according to the given numbers, given values, and we should know that the first row will be always on x-axis, and scale we will use. If it is below 100 we will use 10. If it is above 100 we will use 100. Is it clear? So best of luck. Question number 3 is question number 4 is reduced from the syllabus for this year only. Question number 4 is reduced, cut this year for you, only for this year. Okay, so best of luck and thank you so much.